guys, also welcome to my channel! Today is a very, very, very exciting day. I-unbox natin itong Fresh Time with BT21. So, first of all, thank you so much, Fresh Philippines, for collaborating with BT21 and for involving me. Oh my gosh, talaga naman. I swear, nung nakuha ko yung email about this collaboration, halos mangyak-ngyak talaga ako kasi kung hindi niyo pa alam or if you've been following me on Instagram, alam niyo yan na talagang tayo sa BTS ngayon na hanggang sa naging ARMY for I think since nung Dynamite era. So medyo baguhan pa lang compared sa mga talagang dating ARMY na from the start or talaga matagal na silang following ng BTS. Pero ako siguro more than a year pa lang naman. But grabe, yung level of excitement ko, nakuha ko yung email, halos mangiyak-ngiyak talaga ako. Kaya I'm very excited na i-unbox to with you guys. Talagang super excited. Promise. So, let's talk about first my outfit for today. Of course, medyo may pagka-purple tayo today. And I have my bracelets from Cyrene de la Lune. So, ito yung shop ng my babe, Martha. So, ayan, may ARMY. Tapos may BTS. Have my purple ring. And I have my cookie pendant. Also from my babe, Martha. So, ayun, medyo ready tayo ngayon. So, yung shop pala ni babe, lalagay ko rin siya sa description box kung gusto niyo ng ARMY bracelets like this. Ayan. So, going back to this, kasi talagang ito yung pinaka-highlight natin, guys. Ito talaga yun. So, like I said, Fresh Philippines has collaborated with BT21. So, kung hindi nyo alam yung BT21, so sila yung parang cartoon counterpart ng BTS in collaboration as well with Line Friends. Kung hindi nyo alam yung Line, yun yung parang messenger na app. So, anyway, ito na siya. Let's open this up. So, the gang's all here. We have Tata, RJ, Chimmy, Cookie, Koya, Shuki, Mang, and Van. So, pagbukas pa lang ng box, we have this flyer which says Fresh Time with BT21 Special Edition merch and more. We have limited time offers, free shipping if you spend $599 for Watson's card holders, and avail beauty treats and BT21 gifts. So, take note, guys, this is for November 15 up to November 21 only. So, dito sa likod, we have our information. So, if you can see, ito yung mga available products for this collaboration with Fresh Philippines and BT21. So, we have this version of the Gel Lotion and also this one. Ayan, very cute. Kitang-kita nyo yung mga BT21 characters. And we have these alcohol sprays, the mini ones and the large ones. So, for the mini ones, kompleto, 4 yung scents or shades. But for the bigger ones, 2 lang. Yung nakalagay dito but I'm not sure. And we also have photocards. Ayan, photocards to collect. So, make sure to collect those. So, yeah, that is it. So, let's go ahead and unbox this again. So, first up, ang cute ng bubble wrap. Kung makikita nyo, it's in the shade purple. Mas maganda nga yung purple niya kasi siya sa damit ko. But, it's very cute. Tapos, may heart shape pa instead of the normal bubble wrap na bilog. And when you open this up, we have our alcohol sprays. So, ito yung 3 maliliit. Ayan. Very convenient. You can clip this to your bag or sa mga straps nyo or kung sa tote bags nyo. Ayan, kasyang-kasya siya. So, first one muna is the yellow one, which is Supernova. So, we have Chimmy and Mang. Let me just see kung may scent siya. Oh, may alcohol. Pero, parang may fresh scent siya eh. Pero let's see kung pare-parehas lang siya or hindi. And next one is the Starburst, where we have Cookie and Shuki. Cookie and Shuki. So cute. So, ito. Oh, this one is the scent Starburst. So, may scents nga siya. So, Starburst is a little sweeter. Ito parang fresh flower scent lang siya eh. Parang, so, this one is Supernova, the yellow one. The red one is Starburst and super sweet. Ang bango! Buti na lang, kasi nandito si Cookie. Okay, so the purple one is Cosmic Wonder, where we have RJ and Koya. Yan. So, ang cute ang color niya, oh. It's purple. Ang bango din ito, parang cottony scent. So, it's really nice. Ang ganda ng color, diba? Very, very borahe tayo ngayon. Okay, so we also have the bigger version. And this is the scent and Interstellar. And on the package, we have Tata, RJ, Koya, and Van. Ayan. Yan sila. Ano kayang scent nitong Interstellar? Ang bango. Parang fresh out of the shower scent siya. It's really nice. So, very timely to kasi alam nyo naman, we're still in the pandemic phase. So, very important ang mga alcohol natin to disinfect our hands with. Tsaka, syempre, yung mga surfaces para sure tayo na malinis and iwas COVID. So, try natin tong Starburst kasi syempre, we have Cookie here and ang bango talaga niya. Promise. Ay, ano ba? Yan. So, may lock pa siya. Very good. May lock pa siya para hindi agad-agad. Ooh. Ang bango. Oh, diba? Very nice. Okay. So, lock lang natin siya ulit. Yan. Yan, nakalock na siya. Okay. So, we have, the photo card. So, for the photo card, let's see who we have here. And I have Shuki! Shuki! So cute! O, diba? So, you have, 7! Oo nga, 7 cards to collect. Oh, I want the Cookie one. It's so cute. But, syempre, happy pa rin ako with Shuki. Cute! The mini prankster. Next one is the Soothing Gel Lotions. Ayan, so I have 3 here. Itong first one is a Centella. So iba-iba rin siya. So ito yung TerraCool. So in my experience with Fresh Philippines, itong TerraCool yung medyo minty. So as you can see, this is the Jeju Aloe Ice. So ito yung mga minty na scent ng Fresh Philippines. So we have RJ here and Koya. And then we have the Soothing Gel Lotion TerraFirm. Ayan, TerraFirm. And we have here Cookie and Shuki. So parang kung ano yung partner nila sa alcohol, yun din. And then this green tea and cucumber TerraClear. We have Tata and Van. So try natin sila isa-isa. Saglit. Kasi I'm curious. Itong cucumber. Ooh. It has a very clear consistency. Wala siya masyadong scent. For the Jeju Aloe Ice. Oh. Very similar with the existing Jeju Aloe Ice nila na line. Parang wala nila ako naamoy. Pero definitely may minty feeling akong nararamdaman. Naparami. Naparami yung lagay ko. So, ito naman. Ooh. Itong Watermelon Youthful Bliss. Ayan. Clear siya, tapos may pagka-pinkish tone. Pero very light. Ito may scent siya. Na parang, yun nga, watermelon sweet scent. Pagkaiba sila nung Starburst So, hindi sila magka-scent, pero para silang may sweetness. Para silang sweet. Okay, so, for the last one here sa box natin, ang daming construction, we have the Tomato Glass Skin Soothing Lotion. Ayan. So, I think I have the other version na ganito din, but not BT21. Pero syempre, since BT21 to, ayan, it's so cute. Diba? Get this, guys. So cute nyo. Okay, so we have the little applicator. Ayan, kung you can see. And then, let's try this on. So, ito lang yung parang bigger version nung mga naka-pouch kanina. Ito, this one. Ayan. So, it's the same soothing lotion. Ito naman, Tomato Glass Skin, Terra Glass Complexion. Guys, yung scrub nito, scrub version nito, yung Tomato Glass Skin, promise, ang ganda niya. I will post it on my Instagram account. So, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram account, please follow me. Because sometimes I post skincare products there that I recommend. And mostly plants. Pero, ang ganda talaga nung tomato glass skin scrub nila. Promise. Kasi, even my husband, he likes it so much. Ang bango. Ang bango niya. Parang may, yun nga, tomato earthy scent siya. And immediately, my skin feels so soft. So nice. Okay, so no doubt, Fresh Philippines products are really good. Yun nga, ginagamit ko yung soothing gel lotion nila on my body, and also yung scrub. Promise, the best yung scrub nila. So, I'm really excited for this one actually. Ito hindi ko pa natatry, yung mga alcohol sprays nila. And, please check them out. Kasi look naman, ay, natatakpan. Tingnan nyo naman, it's so cute. Diba? No doubt, BT21 is so cute. Pero tingnan nyo naman yung packaging, diba? It's so nice. And you have photo cards to collect as well. Diba? Okay. Okay, so, photo cards is available only. Okay, for the promo, it's available only for November 15 to 21, and especially the special edition photo cards. So, November 15 to 21 lang sila. But for the duration of the products itself is siguro while stocks last. Okay? So, make sure to visit your nearest Watson para at least you don't miss out on these. Okay? So, that is it for me. Thank you so much, Fresh Philippines, for these amazing products na grabe talaga. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na I have collaborated with Fresh Philippines and BT21 as well. Grabe. I can't. Thank you guys again for watching. See you in the next video. Please do not forget to check these out. And thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!